How did the rule of law begin? History of law. Imagine a world where leaders could do whatever they wanted without rules or limits. It would be chaos, right? That's why the idea of the rule of law is so important. It keeps societies fair and organized. But how did this idea start? Let's find out. Long ago, in ancient Greece, philosophers like Aristotle talked about the importance of laws over personal power. They believed laws should guide rulers, not the other way around. This was a big step toward fairness. But the real turning point came in medieval England with the Magna Carta in 1215. This document limited the king's power and said even the ruler had to follow the law. It also promised rights like fair trials and protection from unfair taxes. This was a major moment because it showed that no one, not even the king, was above the law. Over the next few centuries, legal thinkers and courts built on this idea. In England, lawyers like Sir Edward Coke argued that laws protect individual freedoms from arbitrary rulers. Courts became the places where laws were interpreted and enforced fairly. They made sure everyone was treated equally under the law. This helped shape the foundation of the legal systems we see today. In the 1800s, a British lawyer named A.V. Dicey popularized the phrase, rule of law. He explained that governments must follow laws, no one is above the law, and courts protect our rights. These ideas influenced many countries, including the United States. The U.S. Constitution created a system of laws and courts to stop leaders from abusing power. When we look at courtrooms, the rule of law is what makes them work. Courts are places where laws are applied fairly, no matter who you are. Judges interpret laws and make sure they are enforced consistently. They protect rights like the right to a fair trial and the right to challenge unlawful detention. Courtrooms turn the idea of the rule of law into real actions that keep society just and orderly. So, the rule of law started as a way to challenge unchecked power. It grew through important documents like the Magna Carta, the work of legal thinkers, and the development of courts. Today, it remains a key part of how justice is delivered in every society.